Welcome to Text Analytics course. In this video we will be exploring Python's TextBlob library. In our previous video we saw instructions for installing Jupyter Notebook along with Anaconda, and we also installed TextBlob library. In this video we will start with TextBlob library. So what is TextBlob library? According to their official documentation, TextBlob is a Python 2 and 3 library for processing textual data. It provides a simple interface for common NLP tasks such as part of speech tagging, noun phrase extraction, sentiment analysis, and much more. We will be exploring these tasks. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to start an empty Jupyter notebook and import TextBlob from TextBlob. Import TextBlob. Run this cell. So we have successfully imported TextBlob. So take any text in a variable text. Let's just take this text here, copy this here, and make it a bit presentable like this, and hit shift enter. So we have taken this text into the text variable. Initialize TextBlob with text variable. Like this blob. So now we have initialized TextBlob with text variable. What we first need to do, we want to print sentences in this text. So how can we do this with TextBlob? Just write blob.sentences and it will print all the sentences in the text, and that's it. Yes, that's it. It is returning us an array of sentence object, which is telling us that there are two sentences in this text. The first one is TextBlob is a Python to textual data, and the other is it provides a simple API to and more, which according to me is accurately correct. So we can get sentences from a text with only this only one liner. We can also get the words in a sentence really very easily, like this. For word in blob dot sentences, it's an array of sentences. I want to get the words of first sentence, so I will get this first sentence like the sentences 0, and dot words will return all the words in the first sentence, and just print the word. So it is printing all the words in the first sentence. TextBlob is content to. So what if I want to get all the words of the second sentence? I use the second index and I will get all the words in the second sentence. Another great feature of TextBlob is part of speech tagging. So for part of speech tagging, we also need a single liner command like this, blob.tags. Oh, so what is part of speech tags? So part of speech tags tell us what each word has a part of speech tag in the text. Like in this text, TextBlob is a noun, is a verb, A is a determinant, So using this command blob.text, we can easily get all the uh, text of the words in the text like this. I just run the blob.text, so it is returning us text of each word. Like text blob is a noun, is a verb, a is a determinant. So it is this easy with TextBlob. How can we get this word and its tag separately? We can loop this array of tuple like this word comma tag in blob dot tags print word and its tag like this now like this we can get we can get words and their tags separately. TextBlob is noun. So so using our this knowledge, we can think of an application. The application takes in text and tell us what this text is about. So the nouns in a text tell us pretty much about the text. Like this text is about the Python TextBlob library. So if we just print the nouns in this text, we can say that its text is about TextBlob, it's about Python library. Let's just write few line of code. Like I can copy this forward. Now I want only nouns in the text. If noun and then in tag like this, then only print word. So let's just run this and we get TextBlob Python library data API language processing. So this text is about TextBlob Python library, which we can see that are the first three words. We can make it more presentable like this. Print this text is about TextBlob Python library, and for any text we can use this few lines of codes to get what this text is about. So in this video we have learned two amazing features of TextBlob. First is sentences, how to get sentences in TextBlob, and how to get tags in TextBlob. In our next video we will dive more into TextBlob library, and we will also improve this little application of ours. Please if you learn something, like, share, and please subscribe, press the bell icon. All the links will be in the description, and that's it. Thank you.